If you're looking to file prior year's taxes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it within TurboTax. It's quick and easy, so let's get into it. All right, so we want to file a previous year's tax. So you're going to come to turbotax.intuit.com, and right at the top, before you even sign in, you can jump into support, and here you can see file a prior year's taxes. You're going to click on this link. Now you'll have the option to go back a few years, so you can file 2023 in my case, 2022, 2021. All you need to do is select the year that you would like to file your taxes for, and you're going to come down here, and here you need to select a product. Okay, so depending on what your needs are, you can select a product from $80 up to $190, and you'll need to just read through all of these details so that you know what it is that you need to do. So you can see over here, the deluxe is for maximum tax deduction. Here's for investments and rental properties, small business owners or sole proprietors, and then corporations, partnerships, and trusts. That is the one that you need over there. So whichever one you choose, you're going to go ahead and click on buy now. You'll go through the process of adding your banking details and your payment method, and you'll make the payment. Thereafter, the software will be downloaded to your device. You can install it, and then you'll have an interface that's similar to the web interface, and you'll be able to go ahead and find all of the forms that you need to file those taxes for that previous year.